because this is the time where they are active, they are busy. So you can get to them because everybody is moving right now. Guys, I want you to know this. I just called on one of my groups that we did there enrolled early. I just said, hey, I'm checking in with you toward the end of the year. I hope you had a great year. Hey, what are some of your ideas moving forward? Oh, by the way, do you have any new employees? Mm-hmm. They said, well, yeah, we do. I said, well, guess what? Is there any way that I could give them some information or maybe talk to them if you haven't already shown them the benefit? Because, and these are in groups that are evergreen. This is why I'm looking at my smaller groups right now. I'm looking at those groups that are evergreen. I'm looking at the Ruby groups because I hope I'm talking to a bunch of Rubies right now. Okay, for people like Mr. Roebuck and Miss Kathy, these guys might have some large groups. But for the rest of us that are Ruby, running in that Ruby world, we got those small groups that are evergreen that you can get in at any point. So follow up with them. Find out if they got new hires. Find out what the plans are. I promise you, you will uncover some opportunity for you. Even those small businesses that may have said we're trying to get things done. Hey, Joe, I know you're ending the year off. Let me tell you some of the benefits of enrolling these services right now.